a pink or peach sheet of paper, scissors, a toilet paper roll, a piece of paperboard, a paintbrush, brown paint, a glue stick, a pen, and brown paper. Pour a little bit of brown paint. Start painting your toilet paper roll with the brown paint. Be careful. Continue painting and cover all the paper roll. On the paperboard, using your black pen, draw a circle and 2 ears to make a monkey face. Cut, cut, cut. Now, on your pink or peach sheet of paper, draw 2 big ovals and a small circle. Cut them. Cut in half the small circle. Like this. Now it's time to paste our shapes on the face and on the body. Using our pen, draw all the parts of the face: eyes, nose, mouth. When you finish, you can paste the face on the body. Now with the brown paper, we're going to roll it to make that tail. Now you have a stick, but we need the form of a snake. Now paste the tail using your glue stick. If you want, you can paint the face and the ears. And then we have a monkey.